Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about table. So this table is a draw toolbar command. So you go with respect to your menu bar. With the help of menu bar also you can draw a table. So here you got a draw. You just click over there and you are going to find a table over here. Or else if you want to with respect to your ribbon palette, if you want to draw your table, that one also you can do. So here you got the table, or else you can go with respect to your shortcut key. I'll go with respect to shortcut key. The shortcut key for your table is TB and hit enter. Once you hit enter, a dialog box will appear on your screen. So you need to understand this dialog box very precisely. The first one is table style. So here it is going to show you the standard only because I have not created any of these styles. If you want to create your new one, you can go here and you can create your a new one, or if you want to set the same current, you can create your one. So if you want to create your own, just click on the new and you need to give that name for the table. So it will appear that table name over here. And if you want to again change all the settings over here, just like whatever we have done in case of your dimension style, the same thing it will work over here. For example, you can check out here name. So it will ask you the what should be the your style name. You need to give that one. Or if you want to keep as a standard, start with standard. So it is saying me start with standard. You can go then click ok. It will give that name over here. And then you can go with respect to the modify. When you hit after creating these things, modify again, you are going to get the same thing. Whatever the cell you are finding over there, you are going to find the same thing, everything over there, right? So here whatever the table content, these things, data and everything, we are going to see there itself. So you will understand very neatly. So whatever the text you are writing, if you want to change the text and text height, or text color, if you want to change, or you want to give any text angle, you can do that one also. If you want a border, what should be the line weight, line type and color of that border line, you can do that one also, right? In general, you are going to get the fill color, means background, if you want to fill any color, or alignment, if you want to give any precise alignment, that one also you can do, right? So here you are going to get the horizontal and vertical margins, if you want to give, just like how we are going to give in the excels or your word format, that one also you can do the here. Here you got the cell style. So here data, header and title, this will be there. If you want to manage, and you can change that to your requirement, just like only title and header I required, rest of the things I can do, means you can do that one also over here, right? I was not doing anything over here. If you want to uh, if you want your own what is called text style, then you can go with respect to the new and then you go with modify. Once you done with your modification, and then you select that one appropriate and set current, and you can close that one, right? So here I was not creating any things style over here. I was taking a by default as a standard. See here, I was not getting any of the things, so I will take standard. Insert option. So if you want to link, if you already created an excel sheet, if you want to link to this one directly, you can go this one. So right now I was not doing anything, so I was just taking an empty table I want to plot over here. So I was just selected this one. Why preview is checked means, if you uncheck this one, it will disappear. You are not going to see whatever the number of rows or columns I was taking here, it will not show me. For that reason I need to check this preview. Then only you will get a clear picture how my table is going to be inserted in my AutoCAD, right? So here insertion behavior is there. Specify insertion point or specify the window. Wherever you want to click, you can click that one. Or if you want to give an exact axis or anywhere else, then you can choose that one. Or else here you got next option is columns and row settings are there. So here they have been taken 3 number of columns, so it is showing me the 3 number. For example, if I was going to change with respect to 4, right? You can check out here, this will appear into 4 number of columns you are going to get here, right? So these types of, these are header, 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 whatever they have been written, they all are your columns. So whatever you are seeing in the horizontal side, those all are your rows. So here there are totally 9 number of rows are there and 4 number of columns are there. For example, I need here 5 number of columns, and I will take here only 5 number of rows, right? And here the column width is there, whatever header they have been written, this second box, first one box, whatever you are seeing, that width of that box will be your 2.5 units. And your row height is there, this will be your row height. How much should be your row height is one unit they have been take. Whatever this cell format is there, if you want to style, if you want to change that style, you can do that one also. The first row will be indicated with respect to title. See here it is showing me the title, the first row. The second row here header, and the third row will be your data. So if you want to interchange or if you want to do any of the things, you just click on your drop down menu. So it will help you out to interchange your all these three datas. So for example, if I don't want any title, I want only header, so you can just click over here. So it will disappear your title and it will give you the directly your header. For example, the first row I need a title, the second and third will be the data, then you click over data, so complete it will change to data. Whatever things if you wanted, you can do that one. So I'll keep as it is, nothing I was changing over here, and I will just hit OK. Right, I was not changed your column width or a row height. I was just keeping the by default whatever the units they are according to your diagram or according to your whatever the scale you have set for your AutoCAD, you need to give that one. So I'll just hit OK. Now it is asking me to place where you want your table. See here, now it is rotating in all the 360-degree. So just wherever I will hit, I will click on the screen, it will place there my table. See, I am clicking here, it will place my table. So once it is placed my table, where we are using this type of tables in our civil engineering work, means for schedule of opening. If you want to give schedule of opening completely for your working drawing, there we are going to use, or any of the data if you want to show with respect to in table format, that one also you can do. Right, for example, like we got in schedule of opening, windows, doors, sizes are there, all those things you can write over here. For example, the title I will give the schedule of opening. Schedule of opening, for example, here I was giving the serial number. Right, again here I will give the description. So again, if I want to give any symbols, like in description, if I written door, so then for door, that one we got in our civil engineering work, we got D1, D2, D3 we are going to show, or main door MD we are going to write. So I'll write here symbol also. Right, and again I will write here size or dimensions we required. Right, and one more is there, if you want to give any what will call this much is enough for our schedule of opening. Serial number, description, symbols and size and dimensions, we that is enough. Or if you want to give any remark also, you can write over here remark. Means if you are providing this tentative one, if you want to take the what we call confirmation from the client. So client, if you have changed any of the dimensions or any of the things they have been changed, then you can give the remark over here. For example, here uh, what it is going to indicate means, see, for example, when you select the cell, you are going to see a light brown color, and here you are going to see the nodes of there are nodes are there. So if you click this node, and if you are moving towards your left hand side, it is going to reduce your cell size. Cell size means whatever the width of this symbols is there, it is going to reduce. And again here also they have been provided in vertical direction also. If you just click over there, if you are dragging that one, it will increase the whatever the height of your column will be there, that will increase. Right, for example, if you want to edit this text, if you want to write any of the things, you can just click over here and you can write any of the things. Right, for example, if I want to change the color of this text means, then double click on that particular line or a column. You just select the complete word whatever we have done with respect to your same text one. So I'll just take the any one color, and I think I was doing here whatever we have learned in the text, the same thing you can do editing of your text over here. Right, so here if I want to edit this table, so what are the edits option are there in our table means, you just select any one cell over here. First one I was selecting here, so it is indicating me the ribbon palette is completely changed with respect to a text cell. Or else if you want to write in the shortcut key without clicking over here, means you just write table edit. That again it is going to show you the same thing. So here for example, if I want to insert one row above this selected cell, means what I will do, I will just click this one, it will add one row above this whatever the cell I have been selected over here. If you want to insert below this cell also, you can just click over here, it will insert one more cell. You can check out here, I have been taken 5 by 5, now 6 I have taken, so now it has been increased to. If you want to delete one row, you just select any one cell and you just click on that row, it will delete one row. That row, whatever the selected row is there, that will delete. For example, if I want in column wise, if I want to insert one more column to beside this one, either your left hand side or right hand side, that is left to you. For example, first one it is show with respect to left hand side, you just click this one, it will add one column towards your left hand side. If you want to right hand side, then click on your right hand side, it is going to insert your cell. If you want to delete this column, then select any one cell and click on delete columns, that will delete. See here, I'll just select that particular cell and I will delete that one. It is going to delete your complete column. For example, during any of the cases, if you want to merge these two lines, in remark part I was not using any of the things, and in dimension also I was not using, but dimension I need to show with the large, means then if I want to merge these two cells, then select these two cell and you need to click this one. Here also we are going to get the three options. One is complete all the cells, it is going to be merged, means if you want a complete what I'll call just like a text, if you want to write in a single cell, if you want to make all these cells into a single, then you can do with go merge with all. If you want to merge complete row, means it is going to merge complete your one row. Merge column means it is going to merge your complete one column. So right now I need to merge these two things and I will select those things and I will click on the merge. So merge, see here, now it has been merged, these two cells are been merged. If you want to unmerge these two things, what I can do, just select that one particular, wherever you want to unmerge that one, you select that one, you click this one unmerge, it is going to unmerge. If you got one more table over here, if you want to acquire this property to that table during that course, your match cell is going to be work. Okay, so here one more is there, whatever the alignment, text alignment we have been given, if you want to give with respect to, I want in the top left or top middle or top your below. So if you want that one, you just click over here, you just check out here, select this cell. Okay, here if I want top left, it will move the top left. So whatever the things you can do with your alignment, you can do that one. Right now it's not going to do any of the things with respect to your alignment, I'll keep it as center. If you want to lock this table, no one should come and edit this table, or it should not mess up with this table, means then during that time you go and lock your this complete table or a cell, you can do that one also. This your data format is nothing but, for example, here I was writing 10 and this 10 should be indicated in dollars, right, or decimals. Any other things if you want to do, then you can do with respect to your data format. You just click over here and you just hit on currency, it will show you the $10. So right, so it is showing you the dollar symbol also. If you want to convert to the percentage, it will show you the percentage also. And if you want to go with the decimal number, it will show you. If you want to show with the text, it will show you whole number, it will show you angle also. If you are just giving in any angle, that will also show. If you are clicking for the date, it will not match, because the date property is completely different over here. So during that course it is not going to be work. You can check out here, if I click the date, so it is showing the invalid table cell data type, right? So you need to give the appropriate date format, then only it is going to work. Okay, block, already we have seen, if you want to block this particular cell or particular this one box, then during that course what you can do is, you can go and you can block that area. So if you want to edit, you need to go into that block and you need to edit there, and you can come back to the this cell, right? Directly you can't edit. So if you want to do with your block, you can go ahead with that one also. So field, as I told you people in the text also, this required one complete session, because in the field there are a lot to explain to people about these things completely. So during that course it will take more time. Last class I have shown one example with respect to your date. So if I was just selecting this date, and if I want this format, and if I hit OK, now you are going to see the complete date over here, right? So again here formula is there. For example, here if you want any small sum like average, if you want to go with count, and if you want to check with any cell, you can do that one. If you have a large equation or different equation rather than this one, then you go with respect to the equation. When I hit over here, it will show one equals to symbol. You can write whatever the formula is there for you people, you write that one, so it will work over here also. Okay, so after that you got here manage cell contents. If you want to manage, you can do that one. If you want to link any of the data to this table, that one also you can do that one. So here I have not connected with internet source, so it is not going to download any of the data from your source, right? Because of that reason it is not going to be work. I think your table is understood, you people. So if you got any queries with respect to your table, you please comment me in the session. Definitely I will help you out with respect to your table. Thank you.